Hello, and welcome back to English Flow Daily. Today, we're going to talk about something very important. Something that many English learners struggle with. Confidence. More specifically, how to speak English with confidence. Maybe you understand English when you listen. Maybe you know many English words. Maybe you can understand simple conversations. But when you need to speak, you suddenly feel nervous. You think too much. You're worrying about making mistakes. And sometimes you say nothing. Does this sound familiar? If it does, don't worry, you are not alone. Many English learners feel exactly the same way. And today, we're going to change that. You don't need perfect English. You don't need thousands of words. And you don't need to speak like a native speaker. You simply need to practice speaking one small step at a time. So relax. Take a deep breath. And let's practice together. Let's start with one important idea. You don't need perfect English to speak English. Say that again. You don't need perfect English to speak English. Many learners wait for the perfect moment. They think, my grammar needs to be better. My vocabulary is too small. My pronunciation isn't good. I need to study more first. But if you always wait, you may never start speaking. Think about learning how to ride a bicycle. You can watch videos about bicycles. You can read books about bicycles. You can learn how bicycles work. But eventually, you have to get on the bicycle. Learning English is the same. You can study grammar. You can learn vocabulary. You can watch English videos. But eventually, you have to speak. And yes, you'll make mistakes. That's normal. Mistakes are not proof that you are bad at English. Mistakes are proof that you are practicing. Instead of saying, my English is terrible, say, my English is improving. Say, I am learning to speak English. This small change in your thinking can make a big difference. Now let's talk about something practical. Simple sentences. You don't need complicated English. Simple English is often better. Imagine you want to talk about your morning. I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. I drank coffee. I went to work. These sentences are simple, but they are useful. Now let's make them a little longer. I woke up at 7 this morning. I had breakfast with my family. I drank a cup of coffee. And then I went to work at 8. We simply added more information. Listen first, then repeat. I woke up at 7. I had breakfast. I drank a cup of coffee. I went to work. Now let's connect the ideas. I woke up at 7 this morning. I had breakfast with my family. I drank a cup of coffee. And then I went to work. This is how you build confidence. Not by trying to speak perfectly, but by making simple English easier and easier. Another reason people feel nervous is because they translate everything in their heads. Start thinking in very simple English. I'm tired. I'm hungry. This coffee is hot. It's sunny today. I have a lot of work. I'm done. The more you think in English, the easier speaking becomes. Try thinking in English for just 5 minutes. Small practice is better than no practice. Now let's try another powerful technique. Talk to yourself. Talk to yourself in English. I'm making coffee. The coffee smells good. I'm waiting for the water. Now I'm going to drink my coffee. I'm getting dressed. Where is my shirt? I need my shoes. Okay, I'm ready. I'm leaving home. I'm going to work. I'm a little tired today. But I'm ready for the day. You don't need an audience. You can practice alone. Nobody is judging you. Nobody is correcting you. You can make mistakes. You can try again. You are creating a safe place to practice speaking. After some time, the words start coming naturally. And that is confidence. Now let's talk about mistakes. You'll make mistakes, and that's okay. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language. A child simply tries, listens, repeats, and learns. You can do the same thing. Every mistake can teach you something. Confidence means you are not afraid to make mistakes. Now it's time to practice. I can speak English. I don't need to be perfect. I am learning every day. I am getting better. I can make mistakes. I can learn from my mistakes. I am not afraid to speak. I can speak slowly. I can speak clearly. I can communicate in English. I don't speak perfect English yet, but I am improving every day. I practice speaking a little every day. I am becoming more comfortable with English. I am becoming more confident. Now let's create a simple speaking routine. 2 minutes of listening. 3 minutes of repeating. 3 minutes of speaking. 2 minutes of free speaking. Talk about your day. Talk about anything. 10 minutes a day. That's it. You don't need a complicated plan. You need consistency. Before we finish, remember 3 things. Don't wait for perfect English. Use simple English. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is part of your journey. Your English only needs to be a little better than yesterday. Speak 1 sentence today. Tomorrow, speak 2. Keep going. Keep practicing. Your confidence will grow 1 sentence at a time. Thank you for practicing with me today. Subscribe to English Flow Daily. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. See you next time. Bye.